Hey, do you know Amazon has its own social media for the sellers? Think about Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. You can promote your brand in a unique way there, but on Amazon, not so much. A customer may buy your awesome product, but they might not know about your other cool stuff. That's where Amazon posts come into play. It's like your very own social media corner inside the Amazon jungle. You get to post social media content, share brand stories, and content with customers. Exciting, right? I am Tashdid from Ecomclips, and I will tell you how you can use Amazon posts as a secret weapon of your brand in 2024. Let's dive in. Suppose you have an awesome product, but what if customers do not see the whole picture of it? What if there are more stories you want to share about it? That's why Amazon has its feature called Amazon Posts. It's like your very own social media feed that people can browse. Imagine this, customers scrolling through a super busy marketplace like Amazon and having a quick view of your contents with awesome lifestyle images. And guess what? They can click straight to your product page to know more about it. It's not just about selling, it's about telling your stories in your own way. It's give your brand its own vibe. And here's the best part. You can just repost your Insta or FB contents on Amazon feed and keep the vibe consistent. Addition to that, you might be able to convince your customers to click the follow button of your brand. How cool is that? Who is eligible for Amazon posts? First of all, to get your hands on this tool, you must be registered with Amazon's brand registry or be one of their vendors in the USA. And that's step one. You also have an active Amazon store for your brand. No store, no post, simple as that. What are the benefits? Customers are more responsive to social media content when shopping online. A massive 71% of US shoppers are grabbing stuff they first spotted on social media. Crazy, huh? And guess what? Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok are the big hitter here. Well, social media makes products more appealing. People browse the news feeds, which they are addicted to, when a product appears there, and that's make it irresistible. Now, with Amazon posts, it's like social media and shopping teaming up. If you see something you like, click it and you will be closer to checkout. Now, let's talk about some benefits. It's free. First of all, it's all totally free. Yes, you heard that right. No cost per click like other ads. Post away as much as you like without any cost. Drives brand awareness. It helps you to increase your brand awareness. You can show off your products and share unique stories. You can even post real-life customer photos and build social proof. Increase product discoverability. It helps to boost your product's visibility. Some shoppers might not realize the full range of products you offer, but with Amazon Post, they will look upon your other products while browsing. Helps your product stand out from the competition. Here's the deal. You cannot pick exactly where your post will show up, but sometimes they might pop up on your competitor's page. It's kind of like those ads for related products. Your post can attract them and lead them to buy your products instead. So, even if you are not directly on your own page, you still have a chance to steal the spotlight and win over customers from your competitors. Cool, right? Customer can follow your brand. Just like other social media users can follow your brand on Amazon. It helps to increase your brand loyalty. Where do Amazon posts appear? Alright folks, let's dive into where your awesome Amazon post might pop up. Brand feed. First off, you have got the brand feed. It's like your very own social media page on Amazon, where you can show off your entire content lineup in one spot. It is located in your brand store. Product page carousel. Next, check out the product page carousel. This is a series of posts that appear on product detail page. You can scroll through horizontally right on the product detail page. It's like a mini slideshow of awesome contents. Related brands feed. Now, if you click the top right corner of one post and click see more posts like this, it will open the related brands feed. Here, customers can discover more of your stuff along with other brands. Category based feed. Last but not the least, we have got the category based feed. Amazon tags each post with relevant categories, so customers can explore similar products. How to set up and use Amazon posts? As I mentioned earlier, you need a brand registry with an active brand store. If you are eligible, you can start posting. Let me show you the process. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account, click on the menu, go to Advertising and navigate the Tool and Resources section. Then click on the Post tab. Here you will find all the tools and resources to create a post. You can select the products you want to feature, upload high quality images, and write engaging caption that will attract your audience. You can also schedule your post for later. That's it. Keep those posts coming. Now some tips for you to use it more effectively. Use eye-catchy images, show off your product in action that inspires customers. But remember, keep it simple. Avoid using overlaid text, buttons, or icons. People tend to ignore crowded or complicated images. Also, quality matters. Make sure your images are top-notch, crystal clear, and high resolution. And don't forget about your captions. Tell a story. Showcase why your products are the best. Skip the boring stuffs like product descriptions or customer reviews. So follow these tips and watch your posts shine. So if you are not already enrolled in brand registry, now it's the time. With posts, you can promote your brand and your products like a pro. Have you used Amazon Post yet? Share your experience with us in the comment section. And if you want more videos like this to ace your Amazon business, hit that subscribe button below. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. See you soon.